April 1st, 1954, he opened up, bought 2 pizza ovens, the rest is history. Well, the bakery experience that our family has, number one. So we produce the crust that we produce. You see the bread out there. It's all made from scratch. So what we do there is we got fresh dough here daily. Sauce recipe, my grandmother's, hasn't changed all these years. So maintaining consistency on that right there helps out. Plus, we've always used the better ingredients up there. We've never shied away from anything like that. We make Italian sausage from scratch over here, somewhere between 150, 200 pounds a week right now. We put it on hand pinched on our pizzas. It's not frozen, it's not pre-made, it's just a lot better. People like the taste of it. So that's actually best-selling pizzas, our pepperoni and sausage. It's a very generational business because I've been here starting working when I was about 10 years old, and I've seen customers come in back then who've gotten older and their children, their second generation, their kids, third generation. It's just a very generational business that you see families still coming in after all these years because our reputation is really, really good as far as having the best pizza around. We're a family business, and we try to treat our customers like family when they come in here because customer service is so integral with your quality and everything. You give good quality and you give good customer service, these people keep coming back. The comments we get on Google and things like that is like, the service, everything. We actually offer a pretty good price for what we do as a custom pizza. Not a lot of places do that. You can't get that at the chain pizzas anywhere. So yeah, it's family, big time.